The fourth biggest problem and the final biggest problem that I see with service businesses is keeping in touch with the client after the project is complete. And that's something that Rodgers Painting has been a failure at, and it's all my fault about keeping up with the client, checking in to make sure things are okay, answering any questions that you guys may have, and just overall sending out items that you, as a return customer, can get some discounts from us, and as a return customer, you can get some special treatment, even with scheduling, because we want to honor that. We want to honor the fact that, hey, this customer has used us before in the past, and we want to be a steward of that relationship, and we want to intervene there and say, hey, listen, I know you might have some more painting in the future, and if so, because you've worked with us before, here's some things that we can do to make it even easier and even cheaper on you the next time. So the fourth biggest problem being that keeping up with the customer after the job, we are implementing systems right now to try to be better at that. And I think with one being failure in communication, number two being failure in scheduling, number three being a failure in setting expectations, and number four being a failure to keep in touch. If we can rectify those things, that's a difference that will set us apart even further than maybe we are now. And so we want to bring that to you guys. But behind the scenes, we are working incredibly hard on trying to get the right systems and processes in place and implemented so that that is a direct benefit to you customers. So that is all happening behind the scenes. It's not as pretty and it's not as cool as some of these videos where we can show off what we've done and a big transformation of the house, but this is the stuff that truly is important and will benefit the customer greatly. We want to provide the best product possible for you guys, and so that's what we're working on right now, rectifying the top four biggest problems of service businesses.